Buenos dias, bonjour. How you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna be pranking my cousin. So I'm gonna be doing the sneezing prank on her. I seen this video on Fruit and Pre's World, and we're also gonna go shopping and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go pick her up right now, and let's see what happens. So I got water in here. It's just water. So now I'm gonna call my cousin and tell her I'm outside.
Don't be mad.
Hey girl!
Oh, that's
So where are we going, girl?
so the first stop is Market Basket. So everything's gonna be in there. That way we don't have to keep making many trips.
Yeah.
And then Rainbow, your mom wants some perfume in Rainbow. And I'll say Emma, she wants a few things, not too much. And Market Basket.
I'm gonna go do some gas first.
Okay, no problem.
So what you been up to?
Cooking, exercising, Bible studying. I made boiled me some spinach with some sausages. The other day I baked some sausage and I ordered me a shrimp scampi pizza and a strawberry smoothie.
Okay, don't play on
Washing
you.
dishes, multitasking, baking in the oven, frying in the stove.
Mm-hmm.
You know, keeping myself busy as usual. What you been up to, Kate?
Oh,
Oh,
I
okay.
thought it was back here. Okay. Put some gas in the cup. Gas in the cup.
You seriously have ice in your water bottle, Kim?
No, girl, look. These are the waters that I leave in the car for emergency, and look, they all turned into ice because it's so cold in the car.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so weird. Okay, take your time. I'm gonna try to save my charge. I'm like 58.
Oh, okay. Does my charger charge your phone?
I was gonna ask, but I wasn't
Try
sure.
it. No, this one.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Does it?
No.
No?
Too big.
Oh.
But that's okay. I'll save the charge.
Girl, you know what sucks?
What happened?
Like, whenever,
Mhm.
like, sometimes I, like, do gas. Like, I don't know why, but like it be making me feel like I want to sneeze.
Oh yeah, the smell.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That is so true.
Whew. Like I'm trying to see if I could sneeze now.
Girl, don't force yourself.
I want to see if I could like sneeze now instead of like later.
No, don't force yourself.
Oh my gosh. Come on, girl. Sneeze!
Karen, don't force it. Oh my goodness. You seriously wait until you sneeze?
Yes, I'm trying to sneeze!
Really, don't force it.
Oh my God.
You are too funny. Don't
Alright,
force
I
it.
think it's coming.
She is too funny. I cannot believe it.
Oh!
Emily! Why would you do that? You are so mean. You are so mean, Kim. You are so Your mom would have slapped you right in your face. I should have slapped you, Kim. You're so mean.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're not, Kim. That was so mean. Oh my God.
No, here, you want some tissue?
Yeah, I do. Oh my goodness. That was so mean.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, girl. I'm gonna get you back soon.
Don't sneeze on me.
I won't. It's a surprise. I can't tell you.
No, I'm sorry. Look, here.
Oh,
What is this? You got it all up on your jacket?
damn, I got your snot all over my jacket. I can't believe it. Prank me like that. Oh
I'm
my
dying.
God. I'm gonna get you.
What do you mean?
It's a surprise.
What are you gonna get me?
It's a surprise, Kim. I can't tell you.
Alright, just to make you feel better, it's just water. It
I
wasn't
know, girl.
it wasn't snot. I would never put snot on you. It was a prank though.
That was a good
Tell the
prank.
camera it was a good prank.
I got pranked, unfortunately.
Say Team K.
Team K.
Oh my God! Alright, so we'll see you guys when we make it to the store. So we just made it to the shopping center. We're gonna go get some groceries. And then where are we going? We're gonna go to Rainbows.
We're gonna go to Market Basket, then
Rainbows.
then take some food to my aunt.
Yeah. So come along with us.
The nice sun.
Alright, so we're in here. It is like super crowded. Super crowded.
My mama already bought water, so do you need anything here?
Yeah. Sorry, it's okay. Oh my God, this is so bad. This is so bad.
Oh, okay. I like
What you want, girl?
snack.
Fruit snacks?
Okay, so this is all mine. Oh, okay.
What is this? Applesauce?
Yeah. One point dip. That's it.
I hate grocery shopping. How about you guys?
Yes, a lot of people.
Too much people here. Way too much people.
I don't care what time of day you go.
I know. And what day? Because it's like, what's today? Tuesday? I don't even know what day is it. Alright. We'll be back later. Alright, so now we made it to Rainbows. We're done shopping. I'm eating some gummy worms.
They're really good.
I thought they were closed for a second.
too.
Oh, looks nice.
I I know you'd wear something like this.
Sure would.
And that's so cute.
Still looks cute. I don't not much for size.
Well, I'm just gonna shop around. And thank you so much for watching.